Hi everyone. In my earlier videos, I have demonstrated how to format a document by using the Copilot. Not only that, I also demonstrated how to create content based on your requirements. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a PPT by using those documents you already created. So assume that you already have a Word document or a PDF created for various reasons. Now you want to prepare a PPT to demonstrate or present to your leaders. So how do I do that without spending or using manual effort? So I'm simply opening my PPT, which is empty. And now I already have Copilot option. You can see create a presentation. So as I have Copilot licensed version, it is already embedded within my PPT or Word or PowerPoint. So I'm going to just simply select create a presentation with file. So here simply select the file, or you can take a link and copy and paste it here, or you can upload also. So I'm just simply running my command. Let's see a magic. So it created outlines of that particular Word document. And now I asked Copilot to create slides. It's on its job. After 1 minute, I got all my slides, including the images required. You can decide whether you want to keep it or discard. So I'm going to keep it. So I, I'll also open and run it in the slideshow. So you can see all my slide is created with the transitions. Amazing. So this is very simple and straightforward thanks to Copilot, thanks to generative AI. Thank you for watching my videos.